Hi, I'm Urmila. Welcome to Urmy's Cakes and Cooks. I'm really excited to share with you this new product that I've created. It's my vegan vanilla cake mix. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this product. And all you will need is one packet of cake mix, 300 mils of rice milk, or any other plant-based milk that you like. So you can use almond milk, oat milk, whichever one you like. But I prefer to use this as it's really light. It also works well for people with allergies, with nut allergies and stuff like that. So I prefer to use this rice milk. And then you need, 300 mils of rice milk, and you need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever oil that you like as well. So all you need to do is have a bowl ready. Put all your cake mix into the bowl. Create a small well in the center with a fork. Just pour in your rice milk and your oil. And this is such a easy vegan cake to make. I think you'll really like it because it's spongy, it's light, and it literally takes you 5 minutes to mix and then 22 minutes to bake. So within half an hour, you can have cupcakes ready. So you just mix it until all the flour and liquid has incorporated and it's nice and smooth. Just need a little bit of patience to just mix it through nicely, because you don't want to have any lumps in your cake batter. So just give it a little bit of time and mix it, but it usually incorporates within about 5 minutes and it's done. And then all you need to do is, so with this amount of cake batter, you will be able to get a 6-inch round cake. So if you put it in a 6-inch tin, you'll get a 6-inch round cake, or you can get 12 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes with the 500 number 500 patty pans. So it's actually quite a decent amount, because it's enough to serve a family for any occasion. And these cake mixes last in the pantry for a year. They have a shelf life of 1 year. So you can actually get them, keep them in the pantry, and then all you need is to add some milk and some oil and you've got a cake. So now I'm going to put this into my patty pans here. This part can get a bit messy. If you want, you can pour it into a smaller cup and then pour it into the patty pans. But I usually just do it this way because I can't be bothered using so many utensils. You're filling the patty pans to about 2/3 way, because these cupcakes will rise quite a bit. You don't want to overfill them because you don't want it to overflow. So I'm going to put these in the oven to bake at about 170 degrees. It depends again on the heat of your oven. If you've got a really hot oven, I would suggest baking it at a lower temperature for a longer time rather than putting it at the temperature that I've suggested on the pack, because you don't want to burn your cupcakes. So I'm putting it at about 150 or 170 for 20 to 22 minutes. And then once it's baked, you just put a skewer in and remove it. If it comes out clean, it's ready. So I'm going to put that in the oven now. So the cupcakes have been baking for about 22 minutes in the oven. I've tested them with the skewer, taken them out. You need to let them cool for a while before we can decorate it with icing. I've just made some vegan icing with nutlets and icing sugar. So you use one tub of nutlets, which is 500 grams, and 1 kilo of icing sugar for that amount of nutlets. And then just mix it together. Same process as the buttercream icing video that I have on my page. And you get a lovely vegan buttercream icing that's nice and smooth and actually really tasty. So I'll let this cool and then we'll decorate it and break it open to have a look at the inside. So the cupcakes have cooled. I've taken them out and just put them on this plate. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. You can see how soft and spongy it is. Really looks like a sponge cake actually. I'm going to now just decorate the rest of the cupcakes that are here. And then we can eat one. Just going to put a little bit of gold leaf to make it look a bit special and pretty. You can decorate the cupcakes however you like. You can add fresh berries, vegan sprinkles, anything that tickles your fancy. I've done a lot of cupcakes for my clients using this particular mix, and they've always come back very happy with the flavor of the cake and the texture of the cake. So this is how the cupcakes look after decorating it. And now for the best part, I need to try it. If you would like to purchase my vegan vanilla cake mix, the link will be in the description below. I really do hope you give it a try. Happy baking!